flashback.
And then I'm surprised I picked this because this was early. This was early access. And then this.
Hey, what's this?
Any flashback?
I didn't even see those.
Becky.
Cloud VR. Yes, my name is Cloud VR. And then
My name is Cloud VR.
So my name is Cloud VR. My name is Cloud VR. I'm a shiny rocks. My name's Cloud VR.
Oh my god, I'm golden. This is a real golden. Hold on.
My name is Cloud VR.
But I'm fucking broke.
Buckle my shoes.
I'm rich.
Buckle some.
Here, I'll give you guys my credit card number. So it's 352985728223. Bro, I'm Cloud VR. But you're recording a video. You just gave everybody. Give me my 150,000 followers your credit card. Bro,
I'm literally Cloud VR.
What's your TikTok? I'm Cloud VR.
Some more.
I don't care. I'm Cloud VR. I like how y'all have the face. I'm Cloud VR. And I got it's too easy, man. Oh, yeah, I got an egg cake too. I got an egg cake. I can never. I'm going. No. Yo, wait, hold on.
Dude, there's a golden umbrella now. What?
Bro.
You can become a full golden monkey. Yeah, you're a full golden monkey now. You got the golden boots, the golden helmet, and the golden umbrella. Whoa, this update's cool.
Full gold. Whoa.
Whoa, it's a whole gold set. Ooh. Whoa. Who's screaming for shiny rocks? Holy cow, a flashback.
Well, I forgot she's not home. She's not home.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Hey guys.